Keyboard games, bouquet, row, row, row your boat. We're going to do another audiation experiment like we did with Twinkle Twinkle, all right? Where your child is playing white keys, an ostinato that repeats. Do, 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 do. And the melody underneath is going to be all right? So here is a first time I'll sing it. All right, so we're gonna play do, do. Here I'm gonna sing row, boat, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So on dream, we end back at S1. Let's try audiating together. So I'm gonna play the 4 beats, and then we'll all start together. Bum, that will be our audiating. This is our starting pitch. Sing that bum, 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 bum. Put that in your head. Bum. 4 beats. Bum, bum. Did you end with me? Have fun with this.